All right, for a fun stop this morning, we'll be playing a round of Bere Vibes, this card game right here, inspired by Jamaican culture under the tutelage of co-creator Abigail Smith, who's joining us via Zoom from the United Arab Emirates, UAE. Wow. All right, well, welcome back to Smile. Abby, how are you?
Hey, Abby.
Hey, Abby.
Good, I'm good. Good morning. Good afternoon here, but good morning for you guys.
All right, so how Bere Vibes go? Tell us, describe how the game goes and what started it. You know, how did you make it?
Yeah, great question. So I grew up in Jamaica, went to high school there, and then for college I went to the US. And game nights are huge in college, right? So getting around with your friends on the weekend, playing various board games. It could be, you know, from Scrabble to Black Card Revoked to whatever it is, you know, party trivia games are huge in the US. But what my friends and I realized, there were no games around Jamaican culture. I were like, yo, our culture is exciting, our culture is fun. Why not create something that speaks to us and speaks to our people? And then being able to inspire others, right? So just think about how powerful it is to walk into a store in Jamaica and just seeing a Jamaican game with a Jamaican flag on it, and being able to inspire other people to be able to also make Jamaican games, because our culture is so valuable and can be, you know, passed down from generations to generations, and a household game that brings people together, whether, you know, from our motto is, you know, from little picnic to granny. So anyone can play Bere Vibes and can be a part of the fun.
So is what, just a question and answer thing? Just questions and like a trivial pursuit type of thing, or no?
No. So we're more exciting than that. We have 5 categories and you'll see them there on the table. So the first one being hum it. So just imagine humming a Jamaican song and somebody has to guess what that song is. We have just dance. So, you know, everybody that come up with dances every single day, every single week in Jamaica.
All right.
There's a dance on the card and you have to do the dance. There's act it out. So just think about so many things that we do every day in Jamaica that just come effortlessly. You have to act it out with, you know, no talking, and everybody has to guess what that is.
Well, Delia is the dancer, Garth is the hummer, and I am just the leader here to ensure that everything goes the way it's out.
All right.
Then you have two. So you have this. So there's a popular Jamaican thing on it, and there's 4 words that you can't say below. And you have to kind of explain what the thing is without saying those words, which are usually associated with the word you're trying to have people guess.
All right, so three of us. Yeah, sorry, Abby, 3 of us here, and I pick the card, and they have to do what I'm asking them to do. Is that?
Or we have to guess what?
Correct.
Yes.
No. They have to guess what is on the card based on what you're doing.
Dance.
All right, so this is Proverbs.
Okay, and we
Correct.
run the timer?
Run the timer. Mm-hmm.
On the timer.
They'll ever know this. What you call this?
Blank?
Blank, no business in a foul fight.
Cockroach.
And then it's an easy thing, that cockroach.
But why would he?
Well, no, it's to one. Me is the quiz master.
Why?
Oh, for real?
No, me is the quiz
No,
master.
man, we want to do one,
So
man.
if I dance it, you have to dance.
Proverbs again.
Proverbs again.
Hardest pick the guy blank 2 times.
Got blank 2 times.
Hardest pick the guy blank 2 times.
How do you speak nigga 2 times?
I'm going to shuffle up them card there because, you know,
what
on the
kind of
Proverbs
prison?
alone.
No.